Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: auto-dimming door mirrors, speed control, front halogen fog lamps, front fog lights, Bose Centerpoint surround sound 8-speaker system, dual-zone automatic climate control, ABS brakes, and rear audio system controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.